Hello, how are my cutie cues doing today? I missed you so much. Today we are having, you guys, my favorite food to eat. I'm so glad I came across this combination. You guys, it's delicious. So we are having the Indomie noodles. This is 4 packs of Indomie noodles. I have 2 beef kielbasas, you guys. I baked them. I cut some of those slices in there. I like to bake it instead of actually frying it on the stove, because it gives it, when you bake it, it just the skin just turns so crispy, and it just, the juices and just everything, it's just so delicious. I'm just ready to eat. I can't wait. And I have some mustard and I have some ketchup. This is the way, her name is Fran. She's Korean and her name is Fran. And I love watching her. So I think she's the one who put me onto this combination. I have some nasty vitamin water. You guys, I don't like this, but I bought like a whole case of it. So I was like, you know, I need to finish it and force myself to drink it. I will never buy this one again. It is the zero. It is lemonade and it's zero. It has like no sugar or something in it. And you guys, I don't like it. But I'm ready to eat my favorite food. How are you guys doing? I'm doing so good. And normally we have eggs with this today, you guys. But today I was like, I don't feel like doing eggs. I just want to eat. You guys, these are my favorite noodles. You guys, I'm not kidding, it's really that good. They are so good. I stopped eating ramen noodles once I moved out on my own, because we grew up on ramen noodles, and I said when I move out on my own, I'm not eating ramen no more. I'm thankful for the ramen because it was food that we had to eat. But I was like, I can't do ramen no more. And then I discovered Korean mukbang. And I was open to try a different type of noodle. You guys, I'm hooked. I'm hooked to these noodles. It's so good. And it's not expensive. You can get the kielbasa sausage. Of course, you're not going to eat as much as I'm eating. But you get the kielbasa. Some of you only need like half. You don't even need the whole thing. And if you like eggs, fry some eggs up and have this for dinner. It is so good. I'm not kidding. So good. Now you guys, I know I look a mess today. I fully acknowledge that and I understand. But I've been so busy. I am currently remodeling and renovating my home. So if you guys hear like some banging or anything like that, that's what you hear. I'm super excited. I bought pretty much all new everything. And my bed set that I got, it has been approved by the queen of the house. She approves of it. She's just walking around with a different attitude. She thinks that that's her bed. Like, she really thinks that she owns that bed. So I've been working on the house, working on getting it the way I want, making it look good. And my grandmother is on her way. And she loves to decorate. Decorating is not my thing, you guys. I'm not good at decorating. I don't really like decorating because I just feel like I'm not good at it. It's so juicy. But we're gonna go to a couple of stores and get some cute little stuff because her house is always so pretty. We're just gonna get like some pretty things to go into the living room. I'm really, really, really excited. I've been in good spirits. I just been this positive, happy energy has been surrounding me. A lot of wonderful things have been happening to me, you guys, and I've just been in an attitude of gratitude, honestly. I'm just so thankful. Excuse me. I'm so thankful for all that I have. I'm thankful for God blessing me. And I don't want you guys to think that if you don't have what you want right now, that you're not blessed, because you are blessed. Homeless people are blessed. You know what I'm saying? You're blessed. Every day you wake up. I just really been in a place of gratitude, you guys. You gotta try it with the ketchup and the mustard. If you like ketchup and mustard, try it like that. It's so good. So good. These noodles are my absolute favorite. They do not taste like ramen noodles at all. I will not be buying that again. It just has like a nasty aftertaste to it. Oh, guys, look at that. So good. It's huge. And they're juicy. So how y'all been? I hope you guys have been awesome. Yo, seriously, I'm so serious. Try this. Mmm. Mmm. And somebody asked me, are these spicy? No. They're not spicy to me. And I would say if you don't like spicy stuff, it has a tiny tad bit of spice to it. But it's like mild. Like you can, I think you can handle it. Even if it's a little bit spicy to you, just get a drink of water and you're fine. It's nowhere near as spicy as those. Oh my god, those spicy oh god, no. Look how juicy it is. Oh, excuse me. It has like a stickiness on it. Oh my god, it's so good. I love that stickiness. I hope I'll be able to go to the store. So delicious. I'm telling you, after you try this, you will be so surprised that it's as good as it is. Something so simple. I love simple meals that don't take long. Bake it. And it got that stickiness inside. Ooh. It is so good. Oh, full, y'all. I love y'all. I miss y'all. Somebody asked me the other day, why you say you miss us and you just saw us the other day? Well, if you must know, I am extremely affectionate. I'm the type of person that will hug you, kiss you, tell you how much I love you all day long, tell you that I miss you. You could be in the other room and I tell you that I miss you. It's just a part of me being affectionate. So I mean it when I say that I miss you, because sometimes I go every other day. Sometimes I go 2 days without posting. So yes, I really do miss you. And I really do love each and every one of you who support me and watch me. And I thank you. And yes, I love you. So I am full, you guys. All right, I'm gonna head out. Alright, I'm gonna head out. I'm on my way to the store to get some things for the living room. I'm super excited. My home is finally turning into a home, you guys. It's been a long time coming because I had some other focuses. Like, I really was not focused on decorating my home and just doing, now I'm in a place where I'm just like, it's time to decorate and just, you know, make it look beautiful and just be happy in it. Fall is coming up. I'm gonna get some fall decor going and I'm just super excited. It's starting to feel so cozy already and I'm so excited. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. I love you so much. Bye.